I'm going to show you how we can buy some crypto using Binance. So what you need to do, you need to create account with Binance and then come register and verify. After registering and verify, you come to P2P and then you're going to look for someone who is selling crypto. So in the moment, I need to buy some crypto. So I'm going to look for someone who is within the range that I want to buy. And so the person who is within the range is this person. So I'm going to come to here. But now because I'm engaging with the will be a lot of money, I need to see their trading. So buy, and then I'm going to here to put here that I need crypto that worth 45,000. That is enough. So do not, and then no bank to M-Pesa. So I'm going to place that order. So you see, I'm going to pay them 45,000. And what I need to do is I'm going to fill the payment details, and then this is the pay bill and the account number. So you want to make sure that you don't make a mistake. So it's 542. So I'm going to come to my M-Pesa. Oops. Pay. M-Pesa. So now I'm going to come to M-Pesa. Pay bill. So this here you need to be very careful. So I'm gonna check is 542. So it's 540, sorry. 542. Then I'm going to go to the next step. So I'm going to enter the account number. It should be that account number. Then I'm going to hand the amount 45,000. Then I'm gonna pay. And so press done, and 45,000 has been paid. So you can see I've paid 45,000 to hire them. So what I'm going to do is come here and transfer to notify the seller. I will need to screenshot this. So screenshot faster, and then edit that screenshot. Need to crop it. Up to there. Done. So screenshot has been saved. Come here, upload the screenshot that I've paid. So this is the screenshot. I have rendered understood, and then I'll see transferred, notify this error. So I'll just wait. So we are waiting for this person to release coins worth 45,000. So come here, and then we have our order. So this is our order, and as you can see, the guy has released $345, and that is how easy it is to buy crypto. So if I refresh my account, I should be having over 45,000 over here. And should come to funding. Overview account haitaki kureflect. So you can see I have 45,000 over there. And that is how easy it is to buy crypto. So the next video I'll be showing you how we can try to multiply this 45,000 and make at least 5,000 for the day.